friends, this video is for ICSE class 10 students and subject we are doing is chemistry. We will solve question 2 of unit test paper 1, chapter periodic table. And the question is with reference to the period 3 of the periodic table state. We have 5 questions which we have to answer. Before answering these questions, let us write elements of period 3. This is period 3 of periodic table. Elements of period 3 from left to right are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Our first question is the type of bonding of the element with electronic configuration 287. Element with electronic configuration 287 is chlorine with atomic number 17. It has 7 electrons in the outermost shell, so it requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Chlorine is a non-metal and it will take 1 electron from a metal to complete its octet and form electrovalent or ionic bond. So element with electronic configuration 287 will form electrovalent or ionic bond. Second question, the formula of chloride of the element with electronic configuration 284. If electronic configuration is 284, that means atomic number is 2 plus 8 plus 4, that is 14, and element with atomic number 14 is silicon. Silicon has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. It will not give away these electrons, but it will share these electrons with chloride atom. Electronic configuration of chloride atom is 287. That means it requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Silicon will share its 4 valence electrons with 4 chloride atoms and form 4 covalent bonds. So formula of silicon chloride is SiCl4. Let us do next question, that is question 3. The nature of oxide of alkaline earth metal in the period. Period referred to here is period 3 and alkaline earth metal in period 3 is magnesium. Metallic oxides react with acid to form salt and water. That is, they are basic in nature. So magnesium oxide is also basic in nature. So nature of oxide of alkaline earth metal in period 3, that is magnesium oxide, is basic in nature. Next comes question 4. The number of electrons in the penultimate shell of the element with valency -1. Element in period 3 with valency -1 is chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. That means it has 2 electrons in first shell or K shell, 8 electrons in second L shell and 7 electrons in third or M shell. But we are asked to give number of electrons in penultimate shell. Penultimate shell is second last shell, that is one before the last one. So in this case it is L shell and L shell here has 8 electrons. Number of electrons in the penultimate shell of element with valency -1, which is chloride atom, has 8 electrons. Our next question, that is question 5, is the electronic configuration of element whose hydroxide is a weak base. In period 3, 3 elements, that is metals, sodium, magnesium and aluminium, will form hydroxides. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base and magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. Aluminium hydroxide is amphoteric. So correct answer here will be magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. But the question is we have to give electronic configuration of element whose hydroxide is a weak base. So we have to give electronic configuration of magnesium. Magnesium has atomic number 12. Electronic configuration of magnesium is 282.